This is a quick review of the book Models for Ukraine. This is a charity effort. The profits are being donated to assist the citizens and refugees in the Ukraine. It's produced by Inside the Armour Publications, and I have to say it's a first-rate publication. Beautiful cover, beautiful paper printing. It appears to be articles from several different sources. It's not clear whether these were specially made for this or not. In the inside cover, this highlights the Ukrainian manufacturers whose kits are in the book or who are otherwise being supported by this effort. There aren't, I think every manufacturer is not represented in the book, but quite a few are. I recognize Roden, Dura Wings, ICM. You probably recognize a few yourself. Here is the table of contents, and so you might want to freeze it here to take a look at the articles. These articles really cover a broad spectrum of scales and subject matters. There's armor, there's aircraft, there's figures, there's tanks, support vehicles, a submarine. There are a few things in 1/72nd scale, probably more in 1/48th and 1/35th scale, but the quality of the modeling in here is really outstanding. There is a slight error you can see in the right-hand page there. The Thunderbolt was shown twice. That bottom picture should be of a twin Mustang, which is the last article in the book. But overall, a lot of broad coverage, a lot of fantastic modeling and tips that could be applied to all scales, as you would expect from a fine publication and good writing, good modeling being featured. So let's just turn a few pages so you can get some idea. I mean, look at this print on the left-hand side. Just beautiful, highlighting a really nice piece of work. First class all the way, really. It's a pleasure to turn the pages in this book. The paper is heavy, the printing is beautiful, the instructions step by step, although they have a couple of different styles in here, are really excellent. You can see various periods are covered. World War I, World War II, there's modern stuff. It's really a broad spectrum of things covered. Look at this. I've never seen anything quite like this. Really interesting looking tractor from, I believe, World War I. Really interesting stuff. Again, these are all kits made in the Ukraine. So that's kind of the focus of this. This duckboard trouble diorama, a lot of figure painting tips and posing tips in there. Quite excellent. Here's a mid-war aircraft, a 1/72nd scale tank model being featured there, the Walker Bulldog. Really, again, there's going to be something in there that I think will interest you. Now, unfortunately, this book is not available from Inside the Armour, but check their website. They have some secondary sources where copies are still available the last time I looked, and perhaps there'll be a reprint, but it's really a first-class publication, a great cause, and something I recommend that you check out and acquire.